Today we find in the media, they're picking up things. What does the media do? There are black sheep in every community. I cannot say all those who claim to be Muslims are very past. There are black sheep in every community. Media picks up the black sheep of the Muslims and portrays as those exemplary Muslims. I have given the talk on is terrorism Muslim monopoly. Sister, I am asking you a simple question. Which terrorist group in India causes maximum damage to the Indian government and kills maximum Indians? Can you name one group? If you have knowledge of India, which Indian group in facts, not just media, facts, which kill maximum Indians in India and does maximum loss to the Indian government?
Yeah, we cannot particularly pinpoint.
No, particularly open is open secret. I know it.
It is everybody.
Not everybody. There is a group, sister. Which group? You don't know.
Humans.
Who?
Humans.
Not human. Name. How you say Muslim? Muslim doing jihad, Kashmiri. Do you know the name which causes maximum damage? Sisters,
Lashkar-e-Toiba.
Lashkar-e-Toiba. Very good. See? Our sister, she is educated. Why she saying Lashkar-e-Toiba? Because it comes in headlines. Sister, the maximum damage done to the Indian government is by Maoist. Out of 600 districts of India, 150 are controlled by Maoist. The maximum Indians killed by any terrorist organization in India, it is Maoist. Are they Muslims? You know what do? They attack police stations. They kill policemen. Simple example. Last month, it came in headlines. Bomb blast in Pune, 9 people killed, suspected. The Muslim name. Indian Mujahideen. Sister, please let me complete. Indian Mujahideen headlines. In news briefs, Maoists kill 19 policemen. Now killing a civilian, killing a policeman is a bigger crime than killing a civilian. 19 policemen they killed, it comes in news briefs. Same day. 19 policemen the Maoists kill, it comes in news briefs. Here 9 people bomb blast, we don't know who's the person who does it. Suspected Indian Mujahideen. What is this media? It is confirmed. Maoists have killed 19 people. Confirmed news. With proof. They are telling me read it. Who did the Pune bomb blast? No one knows. German bakery. Suspected Indian Mujahideen. Headlines. This is media, sister. So you know about Lashkar-e-Toiba, I don't know about Maoist. Number 2 organization. Maximum killing. You know who? Ulfa, Assam. It's a Hindu organization trained only to kill Muslims. Sister, your information is very... You know why? You go to the website, go to the internet and type Asian Portal of Terrorists. You get all that 749 attacks. I gave the lecture in 2006. In 2006, now it is 4 years. Number 1 maximum attacks done, Ulfa. You know suicide bombing done by whom? The first organization in the world that did suicide bombing. You know who? LTTE. Liberation Tiger Tamil Alam. Muslim? Are they Muslims? Who are they? Hindu. You know they killed our beloved Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. Yet the media will be after Muslims. Why? Politicians. I told in my earlier answer, politicians. It is facts. When they know who the culprit is, they are challenging. I am a Maoist, I am going to do it, do what you can. They have got rocket launchers. The Andhra Pradesh DG, he caught a haul of Maoist weapons, rocket launchers. And he says, you can put kilometers away, you can destroy a police station with 1 rocket launcher. Do these jihadis have that? Proof. No doubt. 100% proof. They are challenging the Indian government. Do what you can, we will kill you. This is all hypothetical. So with factual error, you come to know number 1 Maoist, communist, Ulfa, Hindu, LTT, Hindu. I do agree there are Muslims also doing wrong things. But if you compare, the percentage is very small. But the media blows it out of proportion. Al-Qaeda. Go to the website. 29 attacks only. All suspected. Joan Redley, the British reporter, she goes to Afghanistan to do a report on the Taliban. When they ask her, how is Al-Qaeda? She says they doubt whether Al-Qaeda exists. Joan Redley, Christian. She's so much impressed with the Taliban. I'm not saying Taliban are good or bad. I haven't met them. I don't know how they are. Joan Redley accepted Islam because of Taliban. I don't know Taliban. I'm not saying they're good. I'm not saying they're bad also. I don't know them. What I'm asking you, sister, the problem is the media. You go to the website, go to the police records. Ask a policeman who knows the statistics. But yet the government talks about jihad is why? Because they will get the vote bank. If they talk about Maoists, they will lose. Not that the Indian government cannot kill the Maoists. Very easy, overnight. The power that the Indian government has, the weaponry they have, they can do it. But then if they do it, they will lose their seat. So it's a political decision. Should we catch the Maoists or not? Political decision. So sister, what do you realize if you see my video cassette? Is terrorism a Muslim monopoly? I say terrorism is a monopoly of the politicians.